contest.
La 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 la.
Mutlu, I haven't seen you this happy before.
I'm gonna enter the music contest at school, Mom. I'm becoming a singer.
Music contest, huh?
There's going to be a music contest at school next week, which all the students have to attend, honey.
Oh, this is perfect. So is your song ready, Mutlu?
Of course it is. Listen and marvel at my talent. La 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 la.
Mutlu, my son, are you absolutely positive that's a song?
Doesn't this song have lyrics, Mutlu?
Lyrics.
1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and... I got so tired, Zuzu.
Me too. So where's Mutlu?
I don't know. I haven't seen him at all today.
Come on, come. Let's go find him.
Mutlu, where have you been? We've looked everywhere for you.
That's right, Mutlu. Come to the garden and let's play a game.
Mutlu, why are you on the bed and what are you wearing?
I'm preparing for the music contest, Neşe.
What? Now you're going to be a musician, is that right?
Listen to my song and you can decide. Anchovy, rope, ball, fishing rod, and lavender, lavender, ooh, lavender.
Say, I think Neşe and I need to be somewhere, Mutlu.
She's right, but keep practicing because you can only get better.
Hey, hold on! I haven't finished my song yet! Oh, I think my song's no good. Don't be scared. Never be scared again.
Hey, Mutlu, what are you doing out the window?
Minnie, Manny, welcome you guys. I'm having a rehearsal to overcome my stage fright.
Ah, stage fright, huh?
You have stage fright.
That's right, and I have to sing on stage in front of the entire school next week.
Oh,
That is awesome!
I'm gonna sing my next song strictly for you. There's apples, pomegranate, and molasses on the porch that horses don't get scared by anyone. They don't get scared, they don't get scared.
Are your songs always like this here on Earth, Mutlu?
Did you like it? It's a great song, right?
We don't know much about Earth songs, Mutlu. Maybe you should have others listen to you instead.
But you liked it, right? Because it's not over yet.
This noise feels like it's never going to end. Maybe you should go up there and check on it.
What noise was that? It's the perfect melody. Music heals the soul, my love.
But he hasn't been out of his room for a while. I think he needs help, actually.
Wait a second, honey. Maybe I should go talk to my son.
Excuse me, is that you, Dad? I didn't hear you come in.
Of course you didn't, my boy. How are the rehearsals going? I came to check up on you.
The rehearsals are not going well at all, Dad. My songs are not sounding the way I want them to sound.
Don't give up so fast, my son. I was in the school choir once. I know a thing or two about music too, you know.
But you see, I want to write songs too, Father. I just can't do it.
First off, think about the things that make you happy, Mutlu. Close your eyes and focus on just one.
Okay, I'm thinking, Father. Strawberries and ice cream, meatballs, Mom's pasta, yumak.
Those are nice things, you know. But I prefer the sea, the sun, and nature, of course.
Then I think of the forests and the picnics that we went on. There were cats and dogs there, and we were playing football. I'm scoring a goal. Goal!
This is it, Mutlu. Keep thinking. You'll find the song that you're looking for, trust me.
Father, have you seen Mutlu? He hasn't been playing with us lately.
Because Mutlu's mind is occupied by that music contest for school.
I hope we'll finally write a good song before the contest.
Don't worry about that, girls. I taught him everything I know about music myself.
Ugh. I have been watching the trees here for the last 2 hours, but I still can't think of anything. Maybe I can find a perfect song if I watch the sky a little bit more. There's trees and sun and a frog and a hawk. There's a cup over there. There's tea and a glass. I should count that as well. Oh, I can't do it. Yumak, the song contest is coming and I still don't have a song to sing to the school. What do you think about this song? There is no chalk in the school, but I'm so happy that you know. Stuffed peppers and nail pullers, I sometimes fall on the ground playing all I can. Hey, Yuma, where are you going? I was was about to sing the best part of the song. Oof, even Yumok didn't like it. I think I need to get some professional help now. Hey, Neşe! Zuzu, hi!
Mutlu, we've been worried about you. Where have you been?
I was working on my song, sis. Tomorrow's the last day, and I'm not ready. Please, won't you help me, guys?
You've come to the right place, Mutlu.
You came to the right address. Don't worry about a thing. You first need to find the best words to express yourself for a good song, Mutlu.
Wait, me? But wouldn't it be easier if you wrote it?
No such luck, Mutlu. This is your song, and you need to write the lyrics.
And if we find a good rhythm to these words, you'll then have the perfect song, and the applause will come rolling in.
Words which will express who I am. I mean, cake, playing soccer, and Super Mutlu is my favorite.
Super Mutlu is a good start, I think. Yes, that is the perfect start.
Think about it. A song which explains who you are.
There you go. Your song is really fun and memorable.
It is. I can say that this is one of the best songs that I've heard lately.
Manny, what do you think? How is it?
I love it a lot, Mutlu. It's exactly how a Mutlu song should sound.
I think so too.
Then maybe we should name it the one and only Mutlu song.
Super Mutlu song it is. We should tell my parents right away. I'm starting if we are ready. I am Super Mutlu, the most Super Mutlu, who goes to space sometimes and sometimes eats a cake. Oh, hey, I'm super and I'm happy. I'm the best Super Mutlu. I discover things a lot. Who's getting older day by day? I'm super and I'm happy. I'm the best Super Mutlu. I'm super and I'm happy. Hey!
This is it, Mutlu. You truly are the real Super Mutlu.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, with this brand spanking new song called Super Mutlu Song. Mutlu!
I'm Super Mutlu to you guys. I'm the most Super Mutlu. I'm Super Mutlu to you guys. Hey!
Minnie, Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside you.